All set. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is one of the other 5 cars that I bought at that time of the auction, along with the other ones. It's a 2000, and I bought this one for $400. So this one was the cheaper out of the ones. It's a 2005 Volvo S60. It's cheaper out of all of them. You know, got a little body damage. Little body damage, but it ain't really that bad. Missing a little trim piece. You know, it's got good tires on there. I might have found me a slick new ride. $100, you can't beat it. It started up. They just pushed it through the auction. But I'm gonna show you why they pushed it through the auction though. And it's dirty. Got the AC kicking in. That window off track, but this is why. Because see, what people don't realize, like they probably thought it didn't run, but and say push it through, but just pull this right there. You know, they just messed up this shift linkage, so I took the chance. So it's got a gub failure position light. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So they pushed it through the auction. So I'm like, why did they push it through the auction? Because I went over there and started up, and then I seen that all this stuff was like gutted out of it. So I'm like, why did they do that? I'm like, it probably stopped shifting or being able to get it in gear, which, you know, I'm pretty sure this car, this got a shift lock on. No, it doesn't have a shift lock on there. Okay, that's why. Because if it had a shift lock on there, then you could have just got it out the shift lock. So, but it ain't nothing, you know, just, you know, pull it once for verse, push it all the way in for park. So you push it in for park, one for reverse. Oh, see, I went too far, so I went to drive 3. But you just play around with it until I can get it back, put back on here. So I don't know why they just didn't, because this ain't moving, so this was stuck. That's why. This one. Oh, that's okay. That's why this was stuck. So they couldn't. So they just bypassed it, which is smart. So I gotta keep playing and get used to it. There we go. Now we got it in dry. Now you got it in dry. And then you dry. Yeah, my brother. I ain't thought it was. And then you just put it in drive and you drive. Then we take it for a test spin down the street. Shifting through all his gears. See, I would. Shifting through all his gears like it's supposed to. Sliding and riding. Bad gas in there. AC probably need a little bit of charge because it is blowing cool, but it ain't blowing cold. But it do hear that turbo. We might got us another turbo. Did we replace the Kia turbo? We ain't even fixed that leaking yet. It's still sitting back there. Cause I ain't fixing it right now. Cause those parts is too expensive. Those parts is too expensive for that. So I ain't fixing that right now. No. Okay, they just got the oil change not too long ago. 5. So it's due for another one. They ain't let me know in the comment section below. It's $400, and that right there is an easy fix. I can do that. You know, that ain't nothing. Charge the AC up. Charge the AC up. And it's a slick looking little car. $400. You can't beat it. $400 for a Volvo Turbo. And Volvo makes a good car. Turbo just whip it right in there. Might got my another $400. I might got my another $400 turbo. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. Yeah. Turbo just whoop, whoop, whoop. You might get us one. You might get it. You might get us one. That window over there because it's off track. Might as well drive this bad boy home tonight. This might be I might drive. 2 clicks for reverse, and it's getting 21 miles to the gallon. I might drive it home, but I might not. I might just have my dad just come through and fix this part first. Put this window up. Yeah, that's probably what I'd do. Yep. They had the emergency brake on and everything. Bam, you got it in park, and it's in park. But I'll put the emergency brake on just to be 100% safe, but it's in park. Found me a car. Might have found me a little daily driver. Might have found it. We ain't too worried about that. Ain't too worried about that. Look at it. Look at him. It's got good tires on the back, not on the front. Volvo S60. Who knows? I might sell it for $400. I might just go ahead and throw a little touch-up paint right here. Throw a little touch-up paint on this. Little touch-up. I don't know what they did right here. That just makes it look bad. Makes it look very bad. Makes it look bad. Yeah, interior's not bad. I mean, put a seat cover on there. Wipe that down, get some new floor mats. Vacuum it out, wipe the seats down because it's leather. Let me know in the comment section below. Sell it. Don't sell it right quick. Sell it for about $3,000. You know, put the little fix that right there. Fix the window, charge the AC up, sell it for $3,000. Yeah, 3,000 sound better. 3,000, 3,500 sound better. It's an 05, 170 on the miles, no service lights. Yeah. 3,000 from spending 400 to making 400 to sell it for 3,000. And probably could sell it for more, but I ain't gonna be greedy. Sell it for 3,000. Somebody get them a nice looking, because this is Volvo, nice looking, and they good cars. So 3,000, 2,500. So spend 400 to make $22,000, $2,500. You know, Profit First. If y'all haven't already, go read that book. It's called Profit First. It's a good book, especially if you're running a business. Even if you're not running a business, you try to get this in the right drive. I guess you can do drive 4. I'm just moving it to the back. Volvo Turbo. Volvo Turbo. I could keep it, but who cares? Let's make a profit. Turn 400 to 3,000. That sounds a lot better. That sounds a lot better. It ain't that hard. Just gotta make sure you're moving it in the right position. See how easy I'm putting it. I ain't putting it in there, but you know. Then you slap it in park. Go in park, goddamn. Park, set the emergency brake. Don't need to set it, but we can set it. See if I can put this other window on track. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. What should I do? But me, more than likely sell it. I'll find something else because my crispy Lincoln sitting over there. But yeah, Volvo Turbo. I'm out. Peace.